Very motor world speaking. Yeah. Then we got an E70. You know what I'm saying? 35D. Not Mystique. You see what I'm saying? So, what we got on this one here is some fuel injectors. They're pretty faulty. So therefore, we finna get to it, put it all together, get it back running right. Stay tuned. It's gonna take y'all along the way while I break everything down. First, we're gonna start by removing we got about 18 bolts in the intake, and all this here, unplug this, undo the from the throttle body right here, this one here just pop out like that pop out like that, move that to the side. These unplug, because this gonna come off with the throttle, the whole throttle body gonna come off with the whole intake, I guess. So let's see how we go. See how we go. Clamps around here. Feel what I'm right there, see the bolt? That's the bolt. That's the dipstick. This mounted to the intake. There's a plug right here. This plug go back right here on the back of this. back of this shaft. Alright. There's a plug on this fuel rail back here. And what's the name? Come up over. Over here. 10mm there, 10mm here. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole intake